Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss trauma. Cerebral concussion, when a person falls from a high space or is beaten by something, causing cerebral concussion and loss of consciousness, use the following treatments. Use bleeding therapy on the kidney tube point. Use bleeding therapy on the veins on the back of the ears. Use acupuncture on the DO26, DO20, and kidney 1 points. Use acupuncture on the UB11, UB10, and UB66 points. Use acupuncture on the GB21 and stomach 36 points. Trauma to chest, you can use acupuncture on the GB21 and stomach 36 points. Use acupuncture on the chest pain point. For trauma to abdomen, use acupuncture on the GB21 and stomach 36 points. Use acupuncture on the chest pain points. Trauma to body muscles. For the treatment of pain due to trauma on the head, arms, legs, and so on, refer to the corresponding chapters for the treatment of pain. For acute bruises, if a cold compress is used, it should not be used more than 20 minutes. It is recommended to use moxibustion, indirect moxibustion with the moxie not touching the skin on the affected body area for as long as 3 to 4 hours. This is not for open wounds. If the body falls to the ground due to a fall or beating, have the person lie on the ground without movement for 10 to 15 minutes and then gradually move the body. Sudden and quick getting up causes more damage. If the bone fractures are suspected, use the conventional ways, Western or Chinese, to fix the fractures before acupuncture. If the trauma is on a muscle, give the herbal tea Yu Ji Tang or Xiao Hu Tang, plus the herbs Tao Ren and Hong Hua. If trauma is on the stomach, give an herbal tea of Simi San plus Tao Ren and Hong Hu. If trauma is in the bladder and the person cannot pass urine, give Tao Hui Cheng Chi Tang. Use folk therapy for all kinds of trauma. Wash spinach and press it to collect juice. Drink the juice 2 or 3 times a day, 150 ml each time. Dry orange core and grind it into powder. Eat 10 grams each time with liquor to help swallow. How to tell if there is blood stagnation or dead blood in the body. There is pain upon pressing on the UB17 point on the back 1.5 soon from under the seventh cerebra. Tongue index on the side of the tongue, pressing pain on the spleen 10 point, pressing pain on the spleen 6 point, mostly for bleeding in the lower abdomen. Patient is thirsty but has no desire to drink water. Thank you for your attention.